All right, it is time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, especially those of you watching this replay in the future. You were very scared yesterday. Not all of you, some of you were. There were some moments of just uncertainty, if you will, but yesterday afternoon, at least in the United States, I realized the lights turned on. And I talked about this in a video on TikTok, and I talked about it during my members only live stream on YouTube yesterday, that May 1st. Hello, everyone. So, hey, I'm not going to say hi, everyone. I just want to start talking. All right. But hello, everybody. I'm not going to do the individual naming of names. I see so many familiar faces in here. May 1st. So again, I talked about this in a TikTok video yesterday, and in my members only live stream on YouTube yesterday. May 1st, peak fear. We were at peak fear. Calls for Bitcoin to go to $52,000. That was the number that they wanted you to believe. Okay. They wanted you to believe we were going to $52,000, and so that you would be too afraid to buy at $57,000. And then the FOMC meeting minutes dropped, and Jerome Powell communicated some dovishness that they were going to unwind their balance sheet at a lower rate, at a slower pace. Instead of $60 billion, it was going to be $25 billion a month starting in June. And that was enough to send us higher, to get us excited. And so same deal this week. All right, today we have a double whammy. We have a double whammy of the CPI report. Inflation is at 3.3%. Inflation. That's what they believe. That's not what they believe. That's what they want you to believe. That's how the market's reacting, that we've seen a better than expected inflation report. So inflation is at 3.3%. The market responds very well to that. We have a Fed meeting coming up because of a couple things here. Because unemployment got to 4% last week. The unemployment report was 4%. And because, the Fed is beating inflation, that means that on one hand, that's negative news, the 4% unemployment report, sign of a weakening economy. But on the other hand, the fact that the Fed is beating inflation, that opens up more room to kind of take the foot off the gas and be like, all right, we're gonna ease a little bit. So today it's like 99.9% chance that they are not going to lower rates. But I am expecting when the Fed minutes drop at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, New York time, United States, that we are going to see some new communication of dovishness. Maybe they'll say, hey, you know what? We're not going to lower rates this time. We'll lower rates next time. Or we are definitely going to lower rates in September. Or they're going to be like, hey, you know what? We're even more so now going to slow our unwind. I don't know. Whatever it is, I expect that the Federal Reserve is going to communicate more dovishness that will get more people short-term excited. And we are going to see Bitcoin. What day is it today? I'm going to say this month hit a new all-time high. DXY responded very much like you would expect the DXY to respond to a CPI report the way that the CPI report came out. So now only up. There's going to be up and sideways. But again, Marcus, only up. I would not say only up. I mean, since the last Fed meeting, we have been up. The trend has been up. For those of you on TikTok watching, you're not watching my my YouTube channel. But I have a Bitcoin chart on here. Oh wait, sorry, that's the DXY. Let me pull up the Bitcoin chart again. it hasn't felt like since May, has it felt like it's been only up? I know for a fact that you guys do not feel like since May 1st, it's been only up, but the trend is up. You know, the trend has been up. We are in an uptrend. So, you know, in that uptrend includes a chop, a 3-week chop since May 20th. So, and we not going to watch your YouTube channel respectfully. What? I don't care. There's plenty of people on my YouTube channel. So, when is HEEHEE season? Bags are packed. It's coming. All right, let's see now. YouTube, rate cut coming. ECB set them up for it. I highly doubt that there's going to be a rate cut today, but maybe they'll communicate something about that. Luna Classic, I just don't care about Luna Classic. We broke bull flag. I can see that. Yeah. All right, YouTube. Hello, Patrick. It will do 2x now. What will? Bitcoin? I mean, my target's $155,000. Does Brett still need a cook-off before entering? What? A cool-off? Brett could chop for a little bit, but I'm bullish on Brett. Dogecoin, what's up with Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin doing anything special? It's up 8% today. That's cool. Good day, mate. It's so much better to watch on YouTube than on TikTok. I agree. Why are meme swaps failing? My meme swap's failing. You might need to up the slippage. Thoughts on holding Dual? I hold Dual. Bullish on it. TAR's target. How about $1 billion fully diluted market cap? IO.net had a successful launch. Cool. Ondo. What's up with Ondo? All right, Ondo's doing just fine. You know what? On my members only live stream yesterday, I did not love the Ondo chart, but it's Ondo. Ondo being Ondo. Ether listing KuCoin. Thoughts on PRI? What's PRI? I haven't paid. I've given up on Ether. They're just I don't know. They could be amazing. It's just I'm so exhausted from the hype that I'm moving on. And you know, Sage better watch out. I'm definitely gonna be buying some Sage, but I'm getting pretty exhausted. It's like, man, he's a master at getting people hyped about stuff. Casper, the friendly ghost, I gave up on that. The tokenomics, the inflation in their supply. Caspa, I mean, it got rejected at the top of a range, and got support at the bottom of a range. It's closer to the top of that range. I would not necessarily be buying Caspa for short-term gains right now. So what's your favorite meme? HEEHEE. After that, you know, there's a lot that I could name. There's a lot. So there's some that I'm heavy in right now. I'm heavy in Brett. I'm heavy in Duke, D-O-O-K, Shubaduki. I am heavy in I have a Telegram group, a call channel that I just started a couple days ago. And I need to update my Slink link so that you guys can join it. But I call this one Daddy. It's a base cryptocurrency. It's created by somebody who has like $78,000 on his 78,000 followers on his X account. So thoughts on Miro? I haven't looked into it. Pepe, I have a decent bag of Pepe. Yeah, I think is the Sage launch today? I have no idea. I think Pepe is going to go to a $45 billion market cap. Let's see. Soul is congested. I think you need a vacation. Thanks for your honesty. I need a vacation. Yeah, that's true. I'm probably going to take my kids to like a theme park for 2 days in a couple weeks here. So I'll be off for 2 days in a couple weeks. You are fire. Thank you. Can you look at Brute on base? Not right now. Sorry, Karen. Sage just put out a video. Yeah, I saw that. Do you think if I got into Sage early, I could make lots due to the anticipation? Yeah. You know, I'm feeling like under 10, if you get in under $10 million, you know, under $1 million, you're good. You're golden. Under $10 million, you're probably going to be okay. in market cap. He made a video today saying that it's going to go to $100 million on day one. I mean, I applaud that level of confidence, at least. The market's pumping. You think it will last? I shared a lot of thoughts when I started this live stream about what I think is going to happen. I think the Fed is going to communicate some level of dovishness that's going to get people more excited about going risk on. So all eyes are on the Federal Reserve right now. I wouldn't be surprised. Bitcoin's at 69,800 plus right now. I wouldn't be surprised if people were looking to enter some shorts at 70K for some quick scalps before the Fed meeting that maybe will get rejected at $70,000. So I'm not thinking much higher until the FOMC minutes drop, and then we'll see. So can you analyze Crow chart? Seems to be lacking, but it looks ready to send support. Crypto.com 1062. Ooh. There's nothing on the daily that would make me excited about this. I would want to see a higher high put in on the daily before going all in, at least. So today looks good, but sure. SAVM, haven't really looked into that all that much. Sage has not been released. JPOW 2 p.m. Central. I thought it was 2 p.m. Eastern. How is the LimeWire chart in your opinion? Alex, I saw your comment on that. I'm not going to look at LimeWire. I've been very confident that LimeWire is going to be an epic pump and dump. Yeah, he needs to be dovish, and I believe he will be dovish, JPOW. So pump first for LimeWire, then dump. Is PopCat a potential play? Yes, but I'm not going to look at the chart. What's the difference between fully diluted market cap and market cap? Fully diluted is the supply all released, like the total supply, even the supply that's not released yet. And market cap is the supply that is currently released. Good morning, Calixto. This is a trap. I am here when it's rising too. Now you are. Okay, Mr. Cuz. I mean, we'll see. Like somebody's saying, the market needs JPOW to be dovish at this Fed meeting. And so, I mean, you've been saying it's a trap for a while, and we'll see. Yeah, Bitcoin near 70K. CPI lower also means economy is weaker. People don't spend. So what are they going to do, Mr. Cuz? What are they going to do? What's the Fed going to do? They're going to lower rates because the economy is weaker. And then we'll have 2 months of excitement. And then that'll be peak euphoria. So is your window fixed? Yes. Good morning, Ollie. HEEHEE and Solnick. Absolutely. Hi, Alex. Hope you're doing well. I'm wondering what's your thought process behind using FDV instead of market cap in your Tau price prediction? What? No, I use, for Tau, I use market cap, 28 billion. How can we join your Telegram group? I can't give you a link right now. The new LOL is HEEHEE. Is it too late to buy or do I wait for a dip? The dip was yesterday, man. Oh my goodness, that question used to be my least favorite question. Now my least favorite question is, are you still bullish on such and such crypto that you talked about a week ago? And the answer is of course. So I would not buy right at this moment. I would wait until after the Federal Reserve speech or the FOMC minutes drop. Not peak euphoria until Trump gets elected. If he gets elected, I disagree. Now listen, there are a lot of people who are saying if Trump gets elected, it's going to be very bullish. I remember 2016. I remember after he got elected, thinking that things were going to tank, and then we just popped off like crazy. The big difference between now and 2016 is that we, in the United States at least, we are in a really ugly situation right now that I don't think even Trump is going to be able to like get us excited enough to get out of. So So will the markets pop short term if he gets elected? I do think so, but I don't think it's going to be sustainable. I think I think he's going to get elected, and I think he's going to be the scapegoat for what's coming economically. And if I'm wrong about that, whoever wins the election, the other party is going to win in 2028. I'm convinced of that. So, what's up, Brad? Hello. If we get promised 2 rate cuts, do you think we'll get all-time high by the end of the week? It's within the realm of possibility. I mean, that's really quick, but it's only $3,000, $3,800 away. So, bullish on Boomer on base. I think so. Yeah, I am bullish. I own some. Cosi Star thought the same thing. Okay. How do you feel about the miners? Trump has been meeting with miner CEO. I think something is in the works. What do you think? I have no idea. I haven't heard about that. Can Manta do a 20x from here? What's my price target on Manta? Can you see Shiba? Shiba's still, the chart doesn't look amazing, but it's just really flat and boring. There's going to be a time when I think Shiba's going to explode. But, you know, I think a lot of the other meme coins are going to outperform it short term. So it's 5208 is my price target. I can't import that on my spreadsheet here. So let me see where Manta is. Manta $1.50. So that's more than a 20x. Trump, yeah. How will China invading Taiwan affect the market in the next 12 months? I don't even know if I want to answer that question. Everything that I have friends in the space. I have a friend who's a Marine who has 4 kids, 4 young children, and he told me that if China does invade Taiwan, that's a scenario where he would have to get deployed, and he's, from everything that he can tell, it's very unlikely. So let's see. Thank you, Adam. If you had 50K, how many coins would you invest in? Mr. Cuz. It's not a matter of how many coins. If I had a dollar amount, it matters how much time. You know, if you have a 9 to 5 and you have a family, I'd say like 5 to 8 cryptocurrencies. If you are single and you have a lot of time to be monitoring things, I would say sky's the limit. Number of cryptocurrencies. Somebody asked me about LCX. Yeah, do as I say, not as I do. That's absolutely right. I have a family, but this is my job, so I can monitor during times like this. But I would not, if I had with my family, my size family, and if I had a full-time 9 to 5 working at P&G or something, I would have much more than 5 to 8 cryptos. I guarantee you that. Yesterday, I talked about LCX. I said, guys, I know TikTok, those of you who want to stay on TikTok, that's fine. I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and I'm telling you, yesterday was the time to buy LCX. Yesterday was a phenomenal time to buy LCX. It went to the bottom of the range, and now it's up. It's up today, 24.5 cents. So if you had 50K, all right, let's see, I've answered that. Been buying every HEEHEE dip. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice. All right. There's 14.7 thousand likes every time we get to 10,000 likes. I just give a little bit of a plug for HEEHEE. I very much believe that HEEHEE has bottomed, and I do believe that we will hit a new all-time high for Bitcoin this month, which means altcoins are going to go on a tear. Solana, my price target for Solana is $694. Assuming that happens, I'm hearing people call for $1,000 plus Solana. I hope they're right. I hope I'm wrong. But assuming that happens, the sky is the limit for HEEHEE. When we get to euphoria, when that happens, I am going to be relentless with this cryptocurrency. And some of you, those of you who don't own it, you're probably going to get exhausted, but I am not going to stop. And there's still things happening. We got listed on another exchange yesterday. The C-suite is going to be in a Telegram, or not a Telegram, a space with I believe it's River Crypto. I don't have my notes in front of me as to what's going on. Oh shoot! All right. There's going to be an AMA. I was about to drop something, but I want the C-suite to handle that. HEEHEE, I'm telling you guys, $100 million is a failure. If we didn't hit $100 million market cap, it's a failure. Rebel Crypto, thank you, Pascali. Space with Rebel Crypto. So full-blown euphoria. The only reason why HEEHEE, in my opinion, would not hit a new all-time high was a $60 million market cap. The only reason why that wouldn't happen is if Bitcoin actually did peak at $73,800. So just wait. Meme coin season 2021, we have not come close to the insanity of meme coin season in 2021. All right. My bad, I meant Thai. Oh, okay. Just because of how new it is, honestly. They're going to cut rates to create more inflation. Yeah, I'm with you on that, Mr. Cuz. You used to didn't like memes. Why did you change your strategy? That's a good question. Did I not like memes? Well, no, Michael, here's the deal. I was very strategic about memes, about my meme coin strategy. And I have the receipts. You know, 3 days or so before Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Pepe ripped in March, I made a video saying I just bought an embarrassing amount of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. And then those things exploded within 3 days of that video. And now it's one of those things where I have been not too excited about utility in crypto for quite a while. And it feels like the market is shifting. Those of us in it right now, we are shifting to a mindset of like, we're calling BS. Like a lot of these so-called crypto utility cryptos, they're just meme coins wrapped in fancy foil to make you think it's legit. And so we just want the ones that are telling the truth. I really feel like there's a shift right now that's happened. And my meme coins, it's not, so I have probably my crypto portfolio is 50% memes. Maybe more than that. And they've just been outperforming the other cryptos. And so it's like I'm taking profits, I'm rolling those into other meme coins and seeing those do well and seeing some do poorly, you know, and it just seems like that's a much better play right now than utility cryptos. So yeah, there's no utility yet. It's all speculation. ETFs don't legitimize anything. I don't see what you're saying with that last comment. ETFs don't legitimize anything. I mean, don't lump Bitcoin in with the rest of the crypto market. Bitcoin is the king. It is here to stay. It is exposing fiat currency for the scam that it is. So I'm with you most of the way. Love-hate relationship with memes, that's for sure. Yeah, HEEHEE contracted address. It starts with 9DLUV. You do you about to fly. You do you. U-D-O-U. The letter U, D-O-U. I see the comment there. It's under a $200,000 market cap. And Darth Unicorn on TikTok has over 100,000 followers. It seems like a no-brainer to me. So anyway, YouTube. Crow has epic risk reward at 10 cents. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Mr. Cuss has been a hater for a while. LOL, I swear he was in here a couple weeks back moaning about something. Oh, yeah, he's been in here for a while. Good morning, Alex. I wanted to let you know you're a beast. Tars and Nobiko are killing it. Nobiko is another one. Tars and Nobiko, but Tars is one of those junk coins with utility. That's a joke. But Nobiko, I'm in on Nobiko, man. That's one that I'm confidently holding, which it's a rare delicacy for meme coins. Anonymous, is Anonymous a good play? I don't know what you're saying. Dude, know what's happening. You do you. Yep. Do you think it's likely too late to get in on Brett? I'd wait for a bit of a chop. But Nobiko. Alex Jones. I really want to see what's up with Alex Jones. Oh, shoot. Not the person, but the meme coin. Bitcoin has one problem, the struggle for a narrative. Is it a currency or store of value? That's a good point. I would say more so store of value. But it did launch as a currency. But you know what? Everything being built on DeFi or on Bitcoin is going to help with it becoming a currency. So Alex Jones, I mean, I like this kind of chart. I'm down on my initial investment, but it looks good. So do you think September is too late to get into crypto? I will get quite a bit of money then. Unfortunately, I do believe it's too late. So I believe we're going to hit peak euphoria in 2024. And then whatever comes after that, we'll see. So, all right. I'm way behind on the YouTube comments. So let me plow through this. Do you see Alex Tar's protocol doing well? Yes, I talked a lot about that. Love your voice. Thank you. You still think LCX is $7? Yes, I do. Do you believe that rates will be cut in September? Regards from Brazil. Great fan of your work. Thank you, Diego. Boataja. September is when I believe that rates will be cut. Can you talk about that petrodollar? I still need to wrap my head around the whole petrodollar thing. So I know what's going on, but that seems like that's very bearish for the DXY. And yet when the news dropped, the DXY pumped. And so I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. You think there will be another big dip before the rip? I mean, what's the rip, you know? The rip? Yes, there will be plenty of big dips before the rip. 50%? No. 20%? It's possible. And then people will be in here saying crypto's a scam, it's over, all that. So Ponky, I own some Ponky, bullish on that. Haram, I don't know anything about Haram on Solana. Love that you save your lives. Good to look back. Thank you. What about Taocoin? 2761 is my target. Love LCX. Yep. Can you look into Banker? Not right now, Pete. Sorry. I have 8 kids, 6 adults, 2 teens. Hang in there. Pays off in the end. Love big families. Make all your money now. You will be tired. Yeah, it's hard to make all my money when, you know, I have to pay like $30,000 in tuition next year for all my kids. Is Engine Coin still a good investment? Still, I mean, I've never been, I have not been excited about Engine. I think that's a good euphoria play. How's ETH going to do this summer? General uptrend. That's all I'll say. TARS, again, talk about TARS a lot, bullish on it. Could what we see be the end of the bull run for some sectors as DeFi, for example? Thank you. No, I think everything will rip at the end. What do you think? What do I think about what? Oh, shoot. My portfolio is 21% Beam, 19% Near, HEEHEE 15%, AOS 15%, Arrow 13%. LCX and Rio, you have a good split there. I mean, I would add, I mean, there's no AI there. That's interesting, but it looks good. Is it crazy to have 25% of my portfolio in ICP? Not necessarily. I mean, that's more on the safe side. Best RWA token to hodl, Pendle and Ondo. Views on Mavia, Banker, I don't know anything about that. Thoughts on Ether, again, I've given up. I'm exhausted from the hype. So, I mean, if it does, amazing. If it doesn't, I don't know. So, AI memes, I got nothing for you. Thoughts on Quant? Ugh, gosh, I don't know, man. Pass. Alex, I don't know if anyone asked that today, but what do you think the CPI report will be later today? The CPI report happened already. It came in at 3.3. So that's better than expectations. Views on Mavia. One of my top 3. Oh, wait. Mavia. It's okay. I did make a YouTube video on it. I'm not like blown away by it. On yesterday's Calvin Hill's live, he was saying not to buy, that we are bearish. I've disagreed. I've been comfortable disagreeing with Calvin Hill before. I mean, I'm saying not to buy right now until the FOMC meeting minutes drop. I believe that they're going to communicate some level of dovishness. That's going to get people excited to go risk on again. So I think I do disagree with him, and I'm perfectly comfortable disagreeing with him. So I guess I disagree. After this bull run, I'm cashing out and putting everything into Bitcoin, ETH, and then holding till I'm crusty old, done with this altcoin madness. That's not a bad idea. I am new to watching you. Is HEEHEE on base or the one you're talking about? It's on Solana. So let me pull it up and I'll paste the chart here. So what's that meme coin you said? Is it you do you? Yeah, UDO letter U DO letter U. So here's the HEEHEE contract address 9D love. I want to check out Sinmin real quick. I bought some Sinmin during my members only live stream yesterday. So 77K market cap. It's a gamble. But thoughts on Zill? Yikes. I'm not touching Zilliqa. It's just it's lost in the sea of layer ones. All right, Calvin Hill said we're bullish yet bearish for now. I think I disagree. What announcement are we waiting for at 1400 ET? FOMC meeting minutes. That's what we're waiting for. So, all right, do you think Toshi on base is a good entry? Guys, I don't want to do chart analysis on meme coins. I would really love to not do chart analysis on meme coins. They're too new. They're too volatile, and so yes, no, maybe so. I mean, it looks okay. I like the fact that it's been chopping for so long. I think he is still a good buy right now. Yeah, me too. You do you, Solana. Yes. Arbitrum price prediction still $23. No, I cut it in half. I'm not looking at Harambe, man. I'm not. I don't care. Crypto freedom. Have you heard of math? I've heard of it a little bit, but I haven't looked into it. Yeah, not going to look at Banker. Calvin Hill talks crap, just wants to show you his ebooks. I'm okay with Calvin Hill. So, is there another important meeting today? Yes, FOMC meeting. I was shocked, but I was buying. Are you into meme coins like Kendu? I have not looked at Kendu. Not financial advice. Do you think he has the potential to hit a $1 billion market cap? I believe it will one day. If it doesn't happen this bull run, I'm telling you guys, like, I'm putting everything into it. Listen, I believe, thank you, Neil. I believe that my meme coin portfolio will be $1 million at some point. Just my meme coin portfolio. When that happens, I am buying over a set period of days $250,000 worth of HEEHEE, and I'm putting $250,000 worth of Solana. I'm pairing that together and putting it into liquidity. I want HEEHEE to one day have $9.9 million of liquidity. Why $9.9 million? Because the last time I checked Shiba Inu, that's how much. Sorry, I'm distracted by Don's comment here. I'm going to read that in a second. That's how much liquidity Shiba Inu had last time I checked. Hey, watch my live, like, and comment, but I'm not looking at that, and I'll answer in an annoyed voice. What do you want me to do, Don? There's over 300 people in here. There's over 300 people in TikTok, and there's 110 people in YouTube. So don't watch my live. You know what, Don? Don't watch my live. Don't like and comment. Don't follow me. Don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't do any of the things. Don't do anything. Just do nothing. Don't watch my live. Don't listen to me. And then what? All right, so everyone, there's 327 of you in here right now. All of you, I just want you to leave. All right, let's see. Do you think storage will ever go above $1 again? Not financial advice, but just waiting. I haven't really looked at storage. Not really much at all. So, Don, please leave. Why are you still in here? Go away. All right, looked at Neuron yet? No. Are there any coins on the spreadsheet that you are considering removing? No. I have much more confidence in you than Calvin. Calixto, you should. You very much should. Still bullish on VRA. Not as bullish. If there's anything that I'm going to change on my price target spreadsheet, It is my VRA price target because of whatever they did with their tokenomics. You know, I just don't care enough to look into it, but maybe I should so I can actually answer your question. I don't like it, and I know that that VRA has dumped terribly because of that. So I think I'm just going to cut my price target in half. That's one of the few that I'm willing to change my price target. I am not willing to revise any of my price targets to the upside, but I am willing to revise some to the downside. But I've only ever changed one, and that was Arbitrum, because I forgot to look at their tokenomics when I made my Arbitrum price target video. Now for VRA, they changed their tokenomics, which would make me want to revise my price target. So thoughts on Tate's Coin Daddy? I own one named Daddy, but it's not that one. I have not looked into that. Do you know your green screen isn't working? Not sure if you are seeing what we are seeing. Are you talking about on YouTube? I know my green screen just doesn't look amazing. I don't really care enough to try to fix it because people can still hear me. And so... Also, what do you think of HEEHEE? I don't know anything about it, Norik. Sorry. What are your thoughts on diversifying between different chains but same narrative, say elections, for example? Yeah. I mean, I have Politify meme coins on Base, on Solana, mostly on Solana, and I have one on Ton, and that one's been doing great. I think the Ton ecosystem is a dark horse for meme coin growth. So thoughts on Miro? Haven't looked into Miro at all. Sorry, but it's a meme coin. It'll probably do well. They will cut rates today. Market makers tried to shake us yesterday. They're all in it together. I very strongly disagree with you, Will, but I hope you're right. Well, do I hope you're right? Because that means we're going to have 2 months of euphoria and then it's going to be over. I would love to be making some money short term, sure, but I don't think they're going to cut rates today. I very much don't think so. So... what's your take on Notcoin? No, he is talking on TikTok. I am. I'm talking on TikTok and YouTube. I can answer every question on my YouTube live stream. I can't keep up with the TikTok live stream. So Notcoin, I made 2 videos on Notcoin last week. One was on TikTok, one was on YouTube. I looked at the chart, seeing that up only, I'm like, it's going to chop. Just don't get in now. That's a losing play. And then it went down, and now it's down to 16 cents. I wouldn't be surprised if we were near the bottom, but I think it's going to chop for a little bit more. So I'm not buying Notcoin right now. And if it pumps like crazy and I miss out, so be it. It's already a very large market cap crypto. Beer coin, kind of cool. Haven't looked into it. ETH price this bull, $11,689. Do you think today's next meeting will be bigger than the one we just had on the market? If they cut rates, it just depends on what they do. If Will's right and they do cut rates, oh my goodness, new all-time high. New all-time high today or tomorrow. But I don't think they're going to cut rates. Oh, my green screen isn't working on TikTok? I'm not doing anything on TikTok. This is I don't know, man. You guys can see me, right? That's all that matters. You own Daddy Ansem? I don't. No. I can only see green behind you. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't have anything behind me. That's the okay, yeah. Are we good now? I mean, yeah, on TikTok, I've never had anything behind me when I go live on TikTok and YouTube. This is my normal setup. Yes, TikTok shows charts, YouTube shows charts, TikTok's just a green screen. If I could have my computer, like my computer screen behind me, like above my head, I would totally do that, but I know of no way to do that. I can do that on TikTok desktop, but then I wouldn't be able to go live on YouTube at the same time. So, yeah, Arbitrum price target cut in half, $11.75. That's what it is. Hello, Chris. Hello, Shabraj. Alex, where can I find your calls? TG. I'm gonna have to update my Slink link. I don't have a way of sharing that right now. How do you get the premium Discord for holding HEEHEE? It launches at a $10 million market cap, so you're going to have to wait. I can hear you. That's okay with me. Yes, sir. Why would they cut rates when the data shows some cooling? Well, data shows heating up in the or cooling. Well, what the reason why they would cut rates is because of weakness in the economy. And cooling, they would cut rates for cooling inflation because it's like, all right, we raised rates, it did the job. But you know what? I mean, if the economy was booming right now, and I'm thinking out loud, if the economy was booming right now and they had rates up, there's no reason why they would cut rates. So yes, but they're seeing weaknesses in the economy. So you need some mods. Cousin Josh, you could be a mod. Josh Powers is a moderator. Do you still think Mubi can reach $2? It's dumped so much. Yes. Viot, not looking into Viot, sorry. It's working but not amazing. Something's working but not... Oh, okay. Do you think the current meme coin craziness could deflate the meme coin narrative and people could get exhausted / lose interest? No. Well, the thing that would get people to lose interest in meme coins is if the utility cryptos pumped hard. But it's been really frustrating. And utility cryptos, a lot of them are just not doing very well. And so people are just fleeing to memes and with the hopes of making, 100Xs. You're bringing back the Ecto Cooler. I don't know what that is. So, haram on Solana, next 100X. All right, well, thank you for those $2. Everybody, haram on Solana is the next 100X. Did you speak about Solly? I don't know what Solly is. What time is the FOMC meeting today? It's happening right now, but the minutes drop at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Green screen works and looks fine on YouTube. Thank you. Do you still think XYO will hit 28 cents? Whatever my price target is, it has not changed. Alex, King Trump on Solana low cap might interest you. I'll look at it eventually. Can you look at the chart of Axon Dow? I told you a while ago it will go insane. You told me? I told you. Not necessarily you. Yeah, AXGT, man. AXGT looks great. And I've been saying that AXGT would bounce back, that it would do very well, and it's looking fantastic right now. So, any thoughts on skillful AI? Many influencers have seed investments. I don't know anything about it, man. I'm sorry. If I have the time, because I work from home, 40 coins for 50 to 60K, is it too much? USD, I live in Canada. I mean, Mr. Cuz, you're bearish, right? So, maybe you shouldn't invest. Stick with your convictions. You're bearish. Why would you invest right now? But I mean, if you work from home, sure, yeah, you can take some time. Thank you, Adam. Good, yeah, you're on YouTube here. Price target on HEEHEE. I'm not going to give you one. Good evening, bro. Is it a good time to buy Arrow at 0.9? I believe so. So Aerodrome. I've been waiting for 0.845. It barely, almost didn't. It didn't quite get there. I think that it's bottomed out. Utility is a liability. Yeah. Am I long on GME? Are we talking about GameStop, the stock, or the crypto? I own both right now, so I'm actually not going to look them up. Yeah, Manta's still $52. Oh yeah. What are your thoughts on Ross Ulbricht? I didn't know much about that background. I wasn't super involved in crypto in 2013. So I think a lifetime penalty based off of everything there's probably parts of the story I don't know, but I think that's a little bit much. Pump my rose. We are going to get 1K viewers this month. All right. We'll see. I mean, I think Bitcoin would have to go over $80,000, maybe over $90,000 for there to be 1,000 people in this live stream. And guys, again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. I'm making my way through the comments on YouTube. And in that comment about 1,000 followers, for those of you who don't follow me, you've got to hit the follow button. For any other reason, I mean, I have a lot of confidence in my content. I will say that. But if any other reason, it's been a rock solid thing that if there's 1,000 people in this live stream, that is a sign that there's too much excitement in the space and it's time to take money off the table. And that is my strategy. I'm really not, I haven't been taking profits on anything, like taking profits off. I have not taken profits off the table in about a month. Okay? So what's my strategy? I might just diamond hand all of my crypto until there's 1,000 people in this live stream. That's been the case. May of 2021, I had 30,000 followers on TikTok. 1,000 people in this live stream, that was the peak. November of 2021, I had 100,000 followers on TikTok. 1,000 people in this live stream, that was the peak. March of 2024, 150,000 followers on TikTok. 1,000 people in this live stream, we actually got up to 1,100. That was the peak, the local top. That was the time to take profits on your altcoins. And a lot of those altcoins are down huge. Even now with Bitcoin at $70,000, a lot of those altcoins are down huge. That was the time to take profits, and nobody was taking profits. I mean, there were people taking profits. I was taking profits. I started taking profits when Bitcoin hit $53,000, but it hurt so bad, and people thought I was crazy for taking profits. I took over $100,000 off of the table because, you know, I just wanted to pay the rest of the school year in tuition. We had to buy a vehicle. I wanted some peace of mind for my wife. So, did I take 100,000 off? I think I did. Oh yeah, because I put a lot of it into stocks. That's right. You think Brett on base can reach $7? That's a $70 billion market cap. That seems too high. All right. Just realized HEEHEE market cap is only 4 million. It can get easy to 20 million. That's FUD, but thank you. Price target on HEEHEE, I can't give you one. Turbo is such a bargain right now. Turbo, I've been waiting for a chop. I might look into that. Boomer Squad showing you love on Twitter. Really? All right. Hey, I own Boomer. I like Boomer. Can you check out Bird Dog on ETH base? I can't right now, Adam. I'm way behind on the comments. Let me just plow through these. Oh, it's all right. Mr. Cuz for the next bear market. There we go. What about Solana meme coin Rocky? Currently 1.5 million market cap. Not looking at meme coins right now. I'm just plowing through. Alex, may I suggest why not charge an amount of HEEHEE for private Discord Telegram, but then burn those tokens at intervals or introduce some kind of burn mechanism? That's not a bad idea, Near Jay. I might look into that. I mean, what am I going to do with the HEEHEE that I'm adding to liquidity? If I ever pull it out, I'm never selling HEEHEE. I'm buying HEEHEE, but I'm never selling it. So do I just hold it forever or do I burn it? Or do I donate some? I don't know. So why did you decide to change the HEEHEE pick from MJ to Fox? Do you think it wouldn't be as legit as with MJ? First time I bought, I cracked up when I saw the pick. It had to do with I was having difficulty getting listed on CoinGecko. And so I didn't want that. Yeah, Bitcoin at 69.9. Yep. Would you long with 5x leverage on Ondo or any coin right now? If you have no trading experience, you should not long anything with 5x leverage, maybe 2x. On Deck Screener, when you see whales farming the coin, but it is going up, should I be worried? Probably. I don't know, man. I don't know enough. Thank you, Reed. And thank you, Mike. Where can we watch the FOMC meetings live? You can watch Jerome Powell speak at 2:30 Eastern Time, 2:30 New York time. Daddy is exploding. Is it? That might not be the same Daddy, David. Let me look it up. The one that I'm in on, so it's funny, I've been talking about this cryptocurrency called Daddy. It's launched by an influencer on X who has like 77,000 followers, and it's doing well. But then Tate, what's his name? Tate, is it Andrew? He started talking about this other cryptocurrency named Daddy. And I think the one that I was talking about was positively affected by that, but it's not the same thing. Let's see. Thoughts on storage? I just really haven't looked into it. Where do you think Brett will go? I could see 10 billion, maybe even higher. I could definitely see higher than that. But I'm going to get very conservative, the closer we get to 10 billion. Solly on sold deck screener 77 million market cap, 1 day, 19 hours old. Brett character. Okay. I don't know, but you got to be careful. 1 day, 19 hours old and $77 million market cap. Where can Nova Blocks go to? I'm bullish. 500 million fully diluted. How long will this rally last? I bought the dip hard. It depends. What's the FOMC going to show us, I'm waiting. Is Andy Andrew Tate's coin? No. Andy is like related to Brett. Something like that. Dow Jones is up a little bit today. Okay. I see a super chat. Thank you so much. What's your price prediction for Pangolin? Oh, shoot. Did I add that in here? I did make a price prediction video for Pangolin. I do not have that in here, but I can pull up the spreadsheet, and I do really appreciate that super chat. Oh my goodness, I'm way behind on the comments on YouTube. RNT, don't know enough. PNG, here we go. 41K likes. Yeah, thank you all for the likes on TikTok. Although I did say, because of what's his name, don't like, don't watch, just go away, all of you. That's a joke. $4.77 is my price target on Pangolin. How long will this rally last? I bought the dip hard. Yeah, waiting. Very soon, bear market, like it won't be long. Recession coming. I agree with you, Mr. Cuz. It's just you're frustrating. They are trapping retail very good right now. Who is buying Bitcoin when they can't even afford their homes and foods? Institutions. 1,000, good strategy. For what? Alts are down huge because it's a rally, not a bull run. There's no liquidity. Okay. Do you have a price prediction for Maker? Nope, I don't. Get some HEEHEE and call it a day. Sure. What car do you drive? I have a Toyota Camry. And if I was a multimillionaire, I would still drive a Toyota Camry. I was a multimillionaire, and then I lost it all. I didn't lose it. I burned it. And I also have a Nissan NV. That's a 12-passenger van. But my wife mostly drives that. Do you think a lot of these altcoins that just dumped will still reach all-time highs this run? My price target spreadsheet gives you all of that information. Alex did get some tunnel when you first said could be a very interesting play when Ton takes off. Thanks for this info. Yeah, very bullish about Ton. What about Beppe and Boj? I think I'm in those at least for the retrace. People need to hyper gamble. Only solution in this economy. That's who. Yeah. Can't believe you burned it. I was never up for making money at the expense of other people with a meme coin that I created. And then the other thing is, if I did sell, I could potentially set myself up legally for a lot of trouble. So it was not a difficult decision for me at all. All right, was there another super chat? Thank you, Crypto King. Really appreciate that. Yeah, so Beppe and Boj will at least retrace. I'm big in both as well. It's so cool that your wife supports you doing this full time. I could have the following of Ty, and my GF would still be against it. Are you serious? Yeah, my wife supports me providing for our family so that she could stay at home. AVAX target 223, I think. 220s. Solana this week. What about this week? I gave you an entry on Solana, or I told you yesterday. Solana is at fantastic support. The yellow box on my chart, it filled it perfectly. It went down almost to the bottom of the yellow box on my chart on my YouTube channel. And that was the time to buy. What are your thoughts on Cardano? $4.86 is my price target. What do you think about Jupiter Exchange? I like it a lot. I like it more than Radium. $16.67 is my price target. Allison already answered that question. Could you see $1 Noble? I don't know where the price of Noble is right now. I just know market cap generally. So what you were doing with HEEHEE speaks volume about your character. Thank you for all that. Thank you, John. Thoughts on AO's $3.40 price target? That target's way too low. I love how you didn't risk your family and freedom for millions. Dude, all right, picture this. I have 6 kids. What if I went to jail for 10 years? Do you know how devastating that would be for me or my family? It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So is the plan for HEEHEE to hold past this bull run, or are you trying to just make it success for this year? Josh, I am trying to build one of the top 5 meme coins. And is that going to happen this bull run? Probably not. Will it happen eventually? I believe so. And, you know, the more that we spend time working on it, the more that it will not be a meme coin anymore. It will have utility. At a $10 million market cap, it's going to have amazing utility. It's going to have a premium Discord that you can get in by only holding 20,000 HEEHEE. So would I say to hold until 2028? No. No, listen, HEEHEE is going to go down just like everything else in the bear market. But just know, in the bear market, I will be buying some cheap Solana, and I will be buying some cheap HEEHEE, and I will add that to liquidity, and we're off. Watching from the Philippines, awesome. I've been to the Philippines. I've been to Cebu and Negros Island. So what do you think of Captain Cole? He predicted previous dump. Now he's calling again 5246K. Yep, I've been on that. He said today that Bitcoin would go to $64,000, and that's all I need to hear. I was so thankful that he said that, because if Bitcoin went to $64,000 today, which it's still possible, then Zoran Cole, Captain Cole, I'm very much going to listen to what he has to say. But if Bitcoin does not go to $64,000 today, and in fact it looks like it's reversing and it's going higher, then all right, you know what? You've given me enough fodder to not listen to you anymore. Somebody asked for the contract address for HEEHEE. Could somebody who knows how to get that just paste it in the chat on TikTok here? WorldCoin. I'm not paying attention to WorldCoin. Sorry. What do you think about nulls? I don't know anything about nulls. Do you have a price prediction for Maker? Yeah, I don't. Storage, again, I know it's a storage-based crypto. I just don't know enough about it. Opinion on Shubaduki. I am holding with a great deal of conviction right now my Shubaduki tokens. I think I have $6,000 worth. I really don't check my holdings all that much because I'm not even close to selling that. Not even a little bit. So, yeah, it's just hanging around. $10 million market cap. I want to diamond hand something, and I've decided Brett for right now and Shubaduki. I'm diamond handing both of those, and if that's a losing play, then so be it. So whenever you get caught up, I'd love you to check on Bird Dog and ETH base. It's climbing like a MFer. Maybe eventually. As a HEEHEE holder, can we still use MJ imagery and HEEHEE content? Yeah, that's fine. MSFT has new all-time high today. Stocks are on fire. There we go. Let's go back above $40,000 for Bitcoin. Ponky to $1 after Binance will be dog whiff hat all-time high. What's Ponky up to right now? I own some Ponky. Unfortunately, I didn't buy too much of it, but I think my investment has doubled since I bought it. I mean, Ponky looks strong. 276 million market cap. Ether thoughts again. I'm nothing about Ether. Spurdo, what's up with Spurdo? Ty wanted me to promote Spurdo. And I looked at the chart. I was like, man, I just don't love charts that like it just gets so green. Like it's just up, 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 and eventually it's going to chop. And that's what's up with Spurto right now. I'd have no problem buying Spurto eventually, but I just wanted to see it. I want to see it cool off for a little bit. What is a supercharger? What does that have to do with crypto? I don't know. I'm listening from Canada. I hope you make millions. You're a good, honorable man. Thank you, Adam. I am LOL. Anything that isn't a 9 to 5 isn't a real job to her. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Her dad, many failed businesses. Okay. I see why she would feel that way. Are you invested into Jupiter? I own some Jupiter, yeah. What is a super chat? That's where people give the money. You know, they pay money and it shows up and it notifies me. And so maybe I'll look at their comment before getting through these comments. How do I get that price prediction chart? Yeah, guys, again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, join the chat. I am able to answer every question on there, but am I investing in the Solana? Psh, all day, every day, yeah. ETH fees are crazy to buy Spurto. That's a problem. But I wouldn't be surprised if Spurto got listed on like Bitmart, on Mexi, things like that. So you wouldn't have to pay those fees. Hoppy came before Brett. Hoppy market cap sleeper. I don't have anything for you. Thoughts on ASI merger? I give up. I don't care. I just don't care. I wish Fetch, Ajax, and Ocean all the best. I'm tired of it. I'm so tired of this. I didn't like the idea of the merger in the first place. They were supposed to merge in May. Now it's June, and it's going to be soon, apparently. And it's a $7.5 billion valuation. I don't care. I'd rather buy Render and AOs. Thoughts on Solnick? I love Solnick. Very bullish. I'm sorry, I got distracted by another comment. Man, I'm sold out. I can't take it anymore. I'll be back in 2026. Oh, man. It's not easy. There's a part of me that I'm like, dude, you shouldn't do that. But there's another part of me that really sympathizes with you. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. I feel you, man. I feel you on that. Thought on watch my YouTube video that I made last week. Thoughts on Multiverse X, EGLD, another middle of the road layer 1 I'm not excited about. They have good tokenomics at least. So what is considered a HEEHEE whale? I'd say if you own 1% of the supply, that's 7 million tokens. Or maybe 1 million, I don't know. Diamond Hand is holding it, yes. I've not checked out IO. I need to check that out. Thoughts on leverage trading? Do you have any experience trading in general? If not, paper trade for a year. I'm dead serious. You're not going to want, you don't want to hear this from me. But if you have no experience trading, paper trade for a year before getting into leverage trading. And then understand that after your year of paper trading, you're going to be tempted to do it differently once you get actual skin in the game. Now that I've said that, I know that none of you are going to listen to that, so I'll just move on. I have to buy some more HEEHEE, yeah. Why is everything like 50% down, like say from $1 to 0.5? I think it's because we're calling BS on altcoins that claim to have utility. I've never been a fan of Say. If you've seen that, if you've seen me talk about it. Ether launched today? Okay. Where do you buy HEEHEE? You can buy it on Radium, on Jupiter, Coinbase Wallet, a very small exchange called CETO-X, and then one other exchange that we got listed on yesterday, and I'm blanking on it right now. I did retweet that, but I don't remember. Is LimeWire dead? Probably not, but it'll be dead this time next year. So, but before then, it'll pump. Thoughts on Rose? I've never been excited about Rose. DexTrade, there we go. Thank you. DexTrade. Yeah, I think AOs will get above $3. Yeah. Rose, price target, $1.25. Do you trade base coins at all? If so, what do you like there? I mean, I have a lot of meme coins on base, and then I have Arrow, and there's another one that has utility that I don't remember. So I haven't looked into a lot of the utility coins on base. I have to buy more HEEHEE. That's for sure, Adam. I bought a ton of Beam and AOS today before a small pump. Should I sell and wait for the FOMC meeting? I mean, you want to take some profits, take some profits. It's always good to take profits. I think that the FOMC meeting is going to provide some bullish momentum. How do I pick up some HEEHEE on Coinbase Wallet? It's the last meme I need in my portfolio. You need the contract address, which Chris just posted, 9DLUV. Spectral thoughts, don't know enough. What do you think will be an ideal time to get out of Nobico? During Euphoria. I'm holding Nobico for quite a while. During Euphoria. Yeah, Dex trade. What about JTO? I haven't looked into JTO, sorry. Where's the best spot to pick up here? I would wait. I'd wait until what happens after the FOMC meeting. You see any sign of dovishness, it's time to get in. Which one do you dislike, Say or Sui? I like Sui a lot more fundamentally. They have a lot more going on in their ecosystem, but their tokenomics are abysmal. They're some of the worst tokenomics for the next year. Next bear market, Sui could be great. Say, the problem with Say is that they have very little money in their ecosystem. That's the problem with Say. And they want to be the premier layer 1 for DeFi. And so I like Sui more than Say. And Say's tokenomics are pretty inflationary too. Thoughts on Vi? Just haven't really looked into it. Brett, 10x from here. It's within the realm of possibility, but it's already at $1.7 billion, so you got to be mindful of that. What's a good place to learn how to buy base coins? I'm sure there's YouTube videos explaining it. Coinbase just followed Mr. Beast. I wonder if Beast Coin, if that's bullish for Beast Coin, which has no affiliation with Mr. Beast. It's up 23% in the last hour, or last 24 hours. All right, 2.8 million market cap. We'll see. Fatality is killing it. Thanks for the call. I bought some, but I bought some at the recommendation of somebody else. I don't even remember who. Thoughts on Solana? I got nothing. He bought Spurdo, promoted, and dumped some 17 hours later. I think I know who you're talking about. It is what it is. Any thoughts on Landshare? I'm assuming that's an RWA crypto. I don't know anything about it. So why is everyone so bullish on Sage when it launches? So you got to think about this. This is a play, this bull run, which has taken me by surprise. You know, you had Caitlyn Jenner launch his meme coin. It pumped up to what, $40 million in market cap. If you were able to get in on that under $1 million, then you killed it. You just made an amazing, amazing run. You had Iggy Azalea launch a meme coin, and that got up to $200 million in market cap. Again, if you got in on that at the under $1 million, you made a killing. Hulk Hogan launched a meme coin and then rug pulled. If you got in on that under $1 million and then got out before the rug pull, again, you made a killing. So everyone's excited about Sage because they want to get in under $1 million. And then we'll see what Sage is made of after that. He made a video earlier today talking about he's guaranteed that it's going to get to a $100 million market cap on the first day. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm ready. There is a new play in ETH upload that is a great opportunity. Scan yourself as NFT. NFTs, it's clearly a scam. The app is already working. What app? I don't know what app you're talking about, Victor. Yeah, I saw a crypto network video. It loaded when I logged into to TikTok today, and he was right. He's right. He just said NFTs were a scam. Sage is going to get in trouble with some of his promises. I am a little bit nervous for him. Daddy Tate is in the billions. Are you serious? Where can I find more information about Sage? Just follow him on X. CryptoSage27. Got to find the right one. Is it this one? I don't know. I'm not even going to look it up. There's too many. Have you updated your Jasmine price prediction? All right, 26. CryptoSage 26. I'm not going to update my Jasmine price prediction. ICP or AVAX? ICP. Coinbase used Mr. Beast to promo last cycle. Yeah. Riot flying, you must be happy. It's one of those things. I sell covered calls on Riot. I don't want it to do that well. I just want it to rise in general. But where's Riot? I can probably roll it. You know, sell more. Yeah, 1079. So my strike price is $11 on these Riot stock shares. So I hope that it closes the week at like 10.99, and then I'll roll it up to an $11.50 or $12 call. Shiba is doing nothing. Sell. Oh no. Shiba Inu. I say this with a lot of conviction, a great deal of conviction. When Euphoria returns, you know, your grandma, your Uber driver, and your barber, they're going to download Robinhood. They're going to download Crypto.com and Coinbase. Coinbase will be the #1 app, and they will buy a lot of Shiba Inu. So, do you know which blockchain Sage is listing his crypto on? Yes, Solana. All right, guys. For those of you on TikTok, oh hey, TikTok burner account is in here. What's up, man? It's been a while. So hey, I remember I made a video TikTok burner account because you come in here and comment with so much conviction, and it's kind of, I don't know, man. You know, I looked at a video where I was talking about taking profits, and TikTok. Hey, what's up, Sinister Minister? TikTok burner account. You commented in that video. This was around the time that Bitcoin first got to $73,000. And you said, what did he say? Oh yeah, it's ridiculous to sell now because Bitcoin is clearly going to $90,000. Huh. So maybe don't come in here with so much swagger. Oh, TikTok burner count. I will gladly show you the receipts. I almost called you out. I almost made a dedicated video to you, calling you out. Because you come in here with all your swagger, and then I saw that comment, and I was like, oh. Okay, yeah. Now you're denying it. I remember the exact video. You said it. You said I was ridiculous for taking profits. All right. Anyway, I was about to switch over to subscriber only, and now I'm going to. You want to stay on this live stream? Head on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin. All right, TikTok burner account. I'll if it wasn't you. All right. We'll switch. We'll revisit this. I like you too. What's the total supply of HEEHEE and how big are the biggest whales? Total supply is 771 million, something like that. 700 something million. 730 million? I don't remember. I don't remember how much I burned, basically. And biggest whales, there's a whale that owns like 5% of the supply. Thank you, Sinmin. And he hasn't sold since Pump.Fun. I know exactly who he is, and he's not going to sell for a while. So you just misgendered Caitlyn Jenner? No, I didn't. Caitlyn Jenner, Caitlyn Jenner's a dude. I said his correct gender. Trueflation, nothing for you, man. Sorry, Chris. Yeah, so yeah, Solana, yep. Is CoinGecko correct? $50K likes. I do apologize, TikTok burner account, if that wasn't you, but I think it was you, man. Yeah, that's the correct supply on CoinGecko, 772 million. Roost time, please. What? I have not looked into Roost at all. And is it the one with $968,000 of liquidity, $33 million market cap? Chart looks fine. I mean, had a big pump last few days and then dumped pretty hard. Will Shiba Inu go to $1 this bull run? No, it won't. All right, let's see. What blockchain is Sage's coin going to be on? Solana. Is the meeting live? Jerome Powell will speak live, but that's it. Do you like Dev? I don't know anything about Dev. Do you expect Riot to go back to its all-time high? Probably not. No. All right, 770 million is the supply. All right. Sinister Minister, thank you. Bruce Jennered him. Amazing. I love dry humor. Thank you. I'm not one of those people who's going to go along with some delusion, and I don't care if this is offensive to people. Like, you're the sex that you were born with. You're the sex that God gave you. I'm not going to play your stupid games. Put $500 in M on base. What's M? I don't know. I'm going back to audio only. Yeah, you're not missing anything. Theta isn't listed. Any ideas? I will call people their name. You want to change your name? Meta World Peace, Ron Artest. I'll call him Meta World Peace. He changed his name. So Caitlyn, you want to be Caitlyn instead of Bruce? That's fine. Let's do that. Yeah. You want to change your name to McLovin? Let's do it. Theta isn't listed. Theta is a really hard crypto to buy. You can get it on Bitmart. I know that. Just go to coinmarketcap.com and look at markets, and you'll see everywhere that it's available. We are so back. Yes. Jasmy or LCX? LCX is Jasmy's a higher conviction, but LCX, I believe, will provide better returns. All right. Hi, Alex. Moo the Bull is doing okay if you want to check it out. Moo the Bull. Man, I just don't... Or Theta's on uphold too. I don't like looking at meme coin charts and just doing analysis. It's like, okay, Moo the Bull. Yeah, it looks like it's ready for a next leg up. It's so hard to do T8 on meme coins, on new meme coins. So... Thank you, Alan, and user 59. I have Theta. Any ideas of peak? I did do a price target video on my YouTube channel, so let me check that out real quick. 2310. LOL, Jenner is and will always be a dude. Oh, man. What's up, Alex? Hello, Miguel. With the new economy info, should we expect the peak of this bull run before the election? It very much depends on when the Federal Reserve's going to lower rates. LCX still around $7 price target. Yes, yep. One of the reasons we need Trump back. I don't know. Trump is, I mean, let's not go into this, but I'll just say one thing. You know, he seems to be supportive of LGBT stuff. I mean, whatever. When will HEEHEE be listed on other exchanges? We within the last 2 weeks got listed on on 2 exchanges. So, did you say 11K for ETH this run? 11,689 is my target. And so, listen, I mean, we're starting with the lower ones, you know, the ones that cost less. Bitmart costs $30,000. MEXC costs $50,000. Wow, Leif, you think they're going to cut rates today? I don't think so. But man, if it happens, we will hit a new all-time high today or tomorrow if they cut rates. I just don't think they're going to do it. Question about some Brett on Coinbase wallet. Found some crypto named Normus in my wallet 2 days later. Was that an airdrop? It might have been. I'm recalling something about Normus, but I don't remember. What chain is Shubaduki on? Base. DOOK is the ticker. And you spelled the name wrong, so just DOOK. Sorry, Alex. Buying Sage, will we just simply copy address on DEX and then buy on Soulflare? Yeah. SHIB price prediction 0.000222192. Duke is on base. Yep. Alex, hope all is well. Thank you. Can I get a desk smash? I've been busy and miss it. Yes. Oh, shoot. That was a very special desk smash. It knocked my camera down. What market cap is your 11K ETH based on? I don't remember, but if you watch my YouTube video, I'm pretty sure that that's a 2.618 retrace from its bear market bottom to its previous all-time high. And so it's not a terribly high market cap. Let me see here, 11,689. That's very close to a 2.618 retrace. RhinoFi, safe for bridge with Trust Wallet. Yeah, I've used RhinoFi a lot. Yeah. LMAO, ouch. Do you think Ethereum ETFs will do well? I don't think there's going to be a ton of money that goes into Ethereum ETFs. So it'll help. For sure it'll help. Why the conviction with LCX? It's a kind of a low conviction price prediction, but I like it. Totally agree with you on the gender talk. This is the reason I follow you, because you're transparent. Oh yeah, I'll tell it like it is. Casper's technology will be major 2029 for all layer ones. Okay. Sorry if someone's asked this. I'm new. Is Uniswap your go-to exchange? Not necessarily. I mean, for the Ethereum-based cryptos that I can still, that I can only buy on Ethereum, yeah. But yeah, decentralized exchange, yep. He's definitely not for LGBTQ XLMYOP, but I just don't think he cares at this point. All right. Not necessarily excited about going into this subject on crypto talks, on crypto discussions. I think that they're very much overdoing it, and they need to just shut up. Just shut up. Okay. Anyway, Sassy, yeah, all right. Been taking late night, sleeping later. Yeah, I started the live stream a little bit later. Are you still bullish on Blast Pepe? It wasn't Blast Pepe. No, it was Bepe. BEPE, not Blast Bepe. They have cut rates here in Sweden. They cut rates in Sweden, the UK. Yeah. Alex, we need you to be like Crash. Yeah, just wait. Yep. Did you put the HEEHEE contract address on your X? No, but I posted a link. All right, you were up early this morning. I posted a link on my X account. Your wife in the other room. I'm at an office, so... Sage on deck screener, where to find the correct contract address. He hasn't launched it yet. That's the smash he will have soon enough. Yes, sir. Thoughts on WagMe Games? I haven't looked into it. Injective breakout. Let's see where Injective is. It's looking pretty solid. Now, if it can, it's at resistance right now, so you got to be mindful of that. But if it can break through this resistance, hold it as support, then yeah, Injective, the chart looks very good. But I would not buy it right at this moment. Weren't you guys arguing about quant, not Bitcoin? Yeah, for TikTok burner count. And you know what? He might have ended up being right about quant. Well, the jury is still out. Thoughts on Caspa and their tech? I don't care about their tech. $1.07 is my price target. Did we get reports back? Market is green. We got CPI report. What about the meme coin for Ton Coin? Telegram is a big community. Oh yeah, I'm in on Tonald and I'm in on Redo, and I'm holding both of those with a lot of conviction. So, where do you think Doge is going to land? My target's 53 cents. I wouldn't be surprised if that was too low. I think a Ponky contender could be Solana, Wild MC at the moment, 85 million. Lots of people have talked about that already, so okay, all right, you win. But I think if they all surprise us and cut rates and we go crazy, absolutely. I don't think that's what they do. You know, I mean, I hope I'm wrong. 82.1 million. What's the chart look like? I don't like charts like this. I think it's too big of a gamble. This could do amazing, but I want to see it chop on the daily chart longer. You believe Brett really has a chance at 40 billion? A chance. A chance, yes. Above zero, sure. I'm not going to be waiting for 40 billion to sell. All right, I'm nearing lunchtime, so let me plow through the rest of these YouTube comments, and then I'm going to end the live stream. Does it make sense to try to get out of ETH-based coins before we hit euphoria and the fees are crazy? What do we say about that? It's one of those things where I think a lot of people who buy these Ethereum-based coins, they're going to hit sticker shock, and it's going to prevent them from wanting to sell during euphoria. So there's a play in that, you know? Pepe versus Brett, who's going to be bigger? Pepe. But I'm not going to mess around with that. I mean, I think during peak euphoria, Ethereum gas fees are going to be $400. You're going to be happy with $400. So what does it take to get HEEHEE on Robinhood? It would need to flip Shiba Inu. You know, we love to talk about HEEHEE doing amazing things, but it's not flipping Shiba Inu anytime soon. So buy Brett at 1.7 billion just for the entertainment. Sure. I am not even close to considering selling my Brett. H-bar or Phantom for this run, H-bar for the long term. Exodus Wallet has Theta. There you go. Okay. Where do I buy Tonald? It's a ton-based crypto. You need the Tonkeeper wallet. Really that high? For what? I don't know what you're talking about. Sold LCX after 4 months and converted to Arrow. LCX not moving at all. All right. How about 2,500 in USDC? Would you load up on Render or AVAX today? Why not both? I would say Render. Identity crisis. I don't know what you're referring to. Can you check dev? It's not a meme. I'm trying to run here, man, but all right. This is the last thing I'm going to look up. $6 million market cap. Next gen currency, 1/3, 1.3 BN energy use of Bitcoin. All right, so it's, you know, eco-friendly. Cool. Gaming platform. I don't know, man. I don't have time. It looks fine. Solana price prediction, 694 and some change. Yes, Tunkeeper wallet. There you go. Thoughts on Ponky? I'm holding Ponky. I'm not even considering selling it anytime soon. Your favorite dexes to invest in? I don't know. Jupiter? All right. Sorry, I was running a bit late, but I figured if anyone could have a solid opinion on it, but agree. Need more data on it, fairly new. Yeah. Thoughts on Ether? I'm done with Ether. I'm done talking about Ether for today. Aerodrome 3220 is my price target. All right, guys, I'm done on YouTube. Thank you all for your time. I'll be live on TikTok only tomorrow, and then on TikTok and YouTube on Friday. So thanks again. Have a good one. Oh, Aerodrome as a DEX. Okay. All right, no, guys, I'm done. Thank you all.